This week's spelling words are from List 3. These are not due until Friday, just like all assignments this week are due on Friday because of iLearn testing. So watch the video, use paper, pencil, or pen to write your words just once, one time each. Then write one sentence using one of the spelling words. That's going to be worth an extra 5 points this week. Make sure you use a capital and a period. Turn in your words by uploading a picture. The words are boast, horrible, conversation, event, promise, rotten, unusual, whisper, cellar, clever, something, imagination, peace, serious, stomach. Let's write these 15 words now. Word number 1, boast. Please don't boast about something you can do better than someone else. It's like bragging. Number 2, horrible. I had a horrible car crash. Horrible. Number 3, conversation. When you have a conversation with someone, you're speaking to them. Number 4, event. There was an important event coming up soon. Event. Number 5, promise. Charlotte makes a promise to Wilbur to keep him from getting killed. Promise. Number 6, rotten. The eggs were rotten, and when one of them burst open, it let off a horrible smell. Number 7, unusual. It is unusual for a spider to spin a web with a word in it. Unusual. Number 8, whisper. Make sure you use a whisper voice when you're indoors. Whisper. Number 9, cellar. The cellar is like a basement. Our cellar smells kind of moldy, and sometimes it floods down there. Cellar. Number 10, something. There is something about that cute pig named Wilbur. Something. I just realized I skipped. Oh wait, never mind. No, we're on the right one. Okay, number 11, clever. Charlotte is a very clever spider. No, I did skip clever. Okay, anyway, number 12. Imagination. They think Fern's imagination is getting a little carried away when they overhear her speaking to animals at the farm. Imagination. 13. Peace. The animals all lived in peace on the Zuckerman farm. 14. Serious. Yes, there is something very serious going to happen to Wilbur. Charlotte can't figure out a way to save him. And number 15. Sorry, I was a little bit out of order on these. Stomach. A-C-H. Your stomach is where your food goes after you swallow, and it goes down through your esophagus. Now I'm going to choose a word to write a sentence. So underneath your spelling words, for an extra 5 points this week, choose a word, write it in a sentence. I'm going to use the word, let's see, boast. Okay, so I'll make sure my sentence is clearly seen, and I'm going to use the word boast to describe what it means, which is like to brag about something. Please. Notice I started please with a capital P. Every sentence needs a capital letter. Please don't boast when you win. 2 ways to write the word win. So please don't boast when you win. This is like win or lose when you win at Bluefit, capital B, because that's a proper noun. Period. I'm also going to underline the spelling word and read it through one more time. Make sure I have everything I need for a sentence. Capital, period, a spelling word, and that it makes sense. Please don't boast when you win at Bluefit. Period. Yes, and my beginning of the sentence does have an uppercase. All set. Can't wait to see your words and what sentences you come up with this week.